Welcome to this stream. Uh, yep, I guess now you can hear me. So welcome to the stream. So today it's too late to start the stream, but anyways, I'm live. So yes, so I was expecting to do live stream today for the project, but due to some unconditional circumstances, what do we call it? Circumstances. Yeah. Due to some unconditional circumstances, I was not able to do that. So yeah, but now I am live. So today I will be doing less chat and more study because it's been a whole day and I have not studied a single thing ex- except uh, reading some reviews because I was helping my sister to get uh, to select a mobile phone. She lost the old one. She had dropped it in the lake accidentally. So yeah, that's the same. But so far, I was not able to select any mobile phone. Like it's a very like when you have lot of options, so it's very hard to select. So anyway, now I will start my study session. So okay, now we did. Okay, no, it's 8:24. So I had lunch. Sorry, I had dinner. So there would not be any disturbance for now, I guess, unless my sister again call me. Okay, so let's select the timer for 50 minutes. So for 50 minutes, I will do study, and I am not going to do chat today. Soham Joshi, hello, hello, welcome to the stream. I guess we are new here. So I am going to learn machine learning today in machine learning. So I will be doing clustering. So I was expecting to do this portion of Udemy course day before tomorrow, but it was not possible because I was learning that concept, confusion matrix, uh, and there is a paradox. So I was understanding that concept. However, that concept is still pending, but I will today start with the clustering. So let's do that topic. Engineering कर रहे हो क्या? So I have completed my engineering. I also completed my masters, and now I am learning the skills that I am lagging behind. I have knowledge about mechatronics and building projects. I built a few projects during my bachelor's and during masters. My main focus was not on learning machine learning. However, my specialization was in machine learning, but my research was in visual science. So it's a part of computer perception, like how computer perceive the information from camera and build the map of the environment. So I was working on classical algorithms. So currently I'm not doing any engineering or anything. Like I have completed my master's a month ago. So currently I am focusing on building up my tech stack good and building some projects. So that's what I am doing. And due to like shortage in job market right now, there are not a lot of jobs. So like it's very hard these days to get the job. So that's why I'm utilizing my time and enhancing my skills. And today I spent 1 hour talking to my friend who is doing a job in TCS. So he spent like 3 years in that company, but now he was very frustrated from his job. Like he want to quit and he want to just leave the India and go into USA. So like I suggested him to take break, relax a bit, and start working on your new skill set. Like he's working in a sport role and a very slim 4 lakh package, but he's not happy. So that's why I'm also not applying for any job right now. Like there is like very less jobs, and in India, you can say right now. So the job market is a little bit down. So that's why I'm focusing on learning. So yeah, that's all. Any other thing? So it's already 8:28. So I have 2 more minutes. So yeah, after that I'm going to study. So no more chat today, but I will try to do tomorrow. But tomorrow is working day, so you might not be present, but it's okay. So that's how things are going on right now. And currently, like what I am doing, like what is my goal? So I'm looking for a computer vision engineer role. Like if you go on LinkedIn and search for a computer vision engineer role, so then you will find that you require uh, skills that like you need machine learning, PyTorch, these type of things. Like we just show you. So that's what I am building and learning. Computer vision. Masters is my key. My master's was in artificial intelligence and machine learning. So I did my master's from Chandigarh University in it's like in Punjab, North India. You might know, like they do a lot of advertisement, and due to some scenarios, so it most of the time say in the news. So like if you see this, oh, 8,000 to 12,000 per month for internship. Okay. Like only computer vision role, like 3,000 results. Data scientist, like you can see bachelor's, master's, PhD, but most of them accept like master's and PhD. And technical skill, Python, OpenCV, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, and CNN, RNN, GAN. So I have like worked on previously in mechatronics section a lot. So this is my website wvsync.in. However, I have not uploaded all the projects. Like most of them, like the projects that I uploaded, they belong from robotic mechatronics. So this is the actor serving robot. This was my first project. Hand sanitizer. I just built using the Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and other thing, and that's how I learned to code. So these projects are from 2021. Like these are very basic. When I see these projects, I doubt myself like what I was doing. So these are very like a school student like projects. So I don't have like a very uh, software related projects. I have few, but they are not that good. Uh, like during masters, the project that I was working on in my research, and I also published two papers. So it was related to this visual slam. So this is the my work that I did YDM slam. So it's YOLO V8 power dynamic mapping of environment using ORB slam 3. So if you don't know about slam, just let me show you some images. Oh no, we are running out of time. Visual slam. So like in automation, like automatic cars, so it is used a lot. Like in industrial robots, uh, like you can say a Tesla is using camera to navigate, but most of them like use LiDAR. But my focus was on how to use camera and build the map of the environment. Like you can see in this image. So, so these are some key points, key features, important features. So that are mapped out in this 3D environment. So that was my work to optimize this. Other than that, like I worked 1 year as an intern in IIT uh, Bombay under Professor Nesh. So it was a remote internship, and there I worked mostly on Django and server-side production management. So my current goal is to learn machine learning, PyTorch, and these required skills, uh, and build projects so that I can land some internship or research related work jobs. So that's my goal. So yeah, that's good. No one is watching, no one is interested. All right, so I'm going to start studying. Okay, so today I have to let's just finish this topic. Cap curve. Uh, okay, I'm going to mute my mic. So now the study session. So now I was just revising this, like the conclusion section of classification. So like I was going through the different question, what are the pros and cons of each model? So it is in which cheat sheet I found it, and how do I know which model to choose for my problem? So that is going to be covered in model selection part 10. Like it is going to be next. If your problem is linear, you should go for logistic regression or SVM, or I guess we can go for linear regression as well. If your problem is nonlinear, you should go for KNN, naive or decision tree or random forest. Okay, then which one should you choose in each case? You will let me find. Okay. Okay. Then from a business point of view, you would rather use logistic regression or naive when you want to rank your prediction by their probability. For example, if you want to rank your customers from a highest probability that they buy a certain product to the lowest probability, eventually that allow you to target your marketing campaign. And of course, for this type of business problem, you should use logistic regression if your problem is linear. And how will we know that the problem is linear? We need to see the relationship between our uh, target and our features. So if they are linearly separable, then we can go or for that linear regression classification. For classification, we can use this linear regression, uh, and like it is if a non-linear or like we use linear classification for linear problem and logistic classification. We can also use it for linear, but those problem statement like which are for in polynomial like a curve shape. So in that we can use this logistic regression, and for nonlinear, such as they are mixed up. So for those cases, like we can use the season tree, naive, random forest, or kernel SVM also we can use, but they have all their pros and cons. SVM, when you want to predict to which segment your customer belong to, segment can be kind. SVM, when you want to predict which segment your customer belong to, segments can be any kind of segment. For example, some market segment you identify earlier with clustering. Okay, SVM, when you want to predict to which segment of your customer belong to. Okay. So, for example, we are selling mobile phones and we want which mobile phone is preferred by which salary segment of people in that case. Okay, we can use SVM. But in India, like we can't apply SVM, I guess, because a poor guy will have an apple and a rich guy will also have an apple. So, what is the difference? So, it is like a status kind of thing. Decision tree when you want to have clear interpretation of your model result. Okay, but for long data set, I guess decision tree, yeah, decision tree would work for long data set, but for short, it would not. Like I saw this in this where it is. Yes, we can use decision tree poor result on small data set, and overfitting can easily occur for smaller data set. but we can easily use it for nonlinear problem and for large data set. And interpretability is also good in this. This is the trick because it uses ensemble learning. So it also don't need feature scaling because it is divided in sub portions. But random forest, on the other hand, interpretability is gone and overfitting can easily occur. How can I improve these models? The same answer as in part 2. In part 10 model selection, you will find the second section dedicated to parameter tuning that will allow you to improve the performance of your model. By tuning them, you probably already noticed that each model is composed of two types of parameter. The parameter uh, in part 10 of the model selection, we are going to do this in hyperparameter tuning. Parameters that are not learned and that are fixed value inside the model equation. For example, the regularization parameter lambda, nullity parameter c are hyperparameters. In SVM, I guess there is gamma also. So far, we have used the default values for these hyperparameters, and we have not searched for their optimal values so that your model reaches even higher performance. Finding their optimal value is exactly what parameter tuning is about. So, for those of you already interested in improving your model performance and doing some parameter tuning, feel free to jump part and click OK. Now, congratulations for having completed part 3, and let's move on the next part of the year. Correct. So, like hyperparameter tuning is like editing a video. No, sorry, editing an image and color grading it. So, hyperparameter tuning is like that. We will change some values like we do in uh, if we want to increase the brightness, so we change the slider. So, in the same way, like machine learning models are tuned according to that, and we change the some parameter and then try to see like whether we are getting good accuracy results or not. All right, so finally we have completed this section. So there is a quiz. So let's do this quiz. Let's see how much we have learned so far. Start quiz. Okay, so what is the false positive type 1 error? As per my information, type 1 error is that error. Like, for an example, there is a cancer case. In cancer type of problem, like type 1 error is that you don't have cancer, but model predicted you have cancer. So that is like a false positive. So we predicted a positive that was false. Yes, we predicted a positive. Like we predicted that the patient has cancer, but he didn't have cancer. So that's the type 1. So this is like a warning. And the type 2 error, like in which the person has cancer, but the model predicted that he don't have cancer and he is roaming around the world freely. So that is very dangerous. So that's how I remember this. Finally, check answer video as I noted. Okay, so what is a false negative type 2 error? Yes, that's obviously we predicted that there would not be an effect, but it was negative. We predicted a positive that turned out correct. Now, this is the case. We predicted that there would not be an effect, so there would not be a cancer, but it was negative, means uh, it was the opposite. So the person had cancer. Good job. In the confusion matrix example, we can quickly calculate the accuracy rate by taking which of the following: the correct divided by total, which provide in our example 85 by 800 or 85%. The total divided by first value occurrence, none of the above, A and B. Okay, in confusion matrix example, we can quickly calculate the accuracy rate by taking which of the following: correct divided by total. Yes, this is the case. And the correct cases are those like true positive and true negative, and like that we predicted correctly. Like the true positive, like the person has cancer, and we predicted also that the person has cancer. And the true negative are those like we predicted that the person don't have cancer, and he actually don't have cancer, so that is true negative. So uh, by addition of these two things, two positive and two negative, divided by total, which provided in our example is 85. Yes, this is the case. The total divided by the first value occurs. No, 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 this is not the case. All right, so I guess I understood the concept. Is the following true? We can calculate the error rate by using wrong divided by the total or ER. Is that error zero or something? 15 by 100, 15% wrong divided by total. Is the volume true? We can calculate the error rate. Okay, ER is error rate. Error rate is calculated as like the false positive and false negative addition by total, I guess. It was something like that. Wrong divided by total. Uh, is this true or wrong? I'm not sure, but wrong divided by total. Yes, this is the case. Wrong divided by total. So wrong is like our true negative and sorry false positive and false negative. So that is the case. Wrong divided. So that is addition of false positive and false negative. Yes, this is true. Good job. Can the accuracy rate mislead you? Yes, this is known as accuracy paradox. That's what I studied. Like accuracy paradox is something, uh, but I am not sure. Like from that video, like I understood that it is not a good parameter to calculate the accuracy. Like there was an example of a doctor giving polio drops, I guess. So there was an example. Uh, I don't know like how to explain, but I know like this is there is accuracy paradox which can mislead us, so that is not good. All right, so we answered all the questions correctly, so that's good. So now we can move forward. I guess now it's break time. Oh no, so it was break time already. Hi, hi, how are you? So whoever is watching, so when did the break started? So how is the stream going so far? Let's see. So let's take some comments. Soham Joshi, are you doing engineering? I already answered. Master किसने किया? Answer. The one, Sat Shri Akal ji, Sat Shri Akal ji. So yeah, I watched your video yesterday. The one, I guess it was your video. The one channel. Uh, I guess it was you now. You were practicing English. Yes, yes, yes. This is the same channel. M Hadi, M Hadi, Hadi. Anyways, yo, what's up, bro? Javan, bro, why you are not posting videos anymore? So it's been 2 months that you, it's been 1 month. So you did it for 10 days and then stopped. 75 days hard in this challenge. Bro, keep it up. So you started 3 months ago, great web development series. All right. So you are also like an IT boy, engineer. All right. So no one is watching right now. So far we have 43 views, one confident viewer. Sorry, bro. You were watching consistently. Two people were watching. Sorry if I missed your comment. So, like today, a whole day I didn't study. So, this was the only time to study that I left right now. So, hi, whoever joining, welcome to the chat, welcome to the stream. So, it was Monday, so that must be tiring. So, how was your Monday? Boring. So, next I'm going to do clustering. So clustering is going to take a lot of time. So let's see how much we can cover today. So it's 1 hour and 24 for gaming clustering. All right, all right, all right. So no more queries, no more questions. No one want to chat today. So it's Monday. I understand. Like you might be busy completing your assignments. So all right, or you might be enjoying. So during working days, so usually there is very less traffic. Alright, so now I'm going to continue my study. Let's end it. Hello, whoever joined recently. Hi, welcome to the stream. Okay, so now I'm going to do the next section. So it's 9:30 already, so I have an hour, you can say. So let's do that topic. So I'm going to use this scene for now. So let's start. So next page will be after 50 minutes. Alright, so I'm going to mute. Hello guys. So it's break time. So I didn't even realize the study session was for 50 minutes, but the time went so fast. Like, and it's already 10:23. So who is watching the stream? Wanna say hi? Guys, can you suggest me like I want to buy a mobile phone? So like budget is 15,000. So can you suggest me the mobile phone under this budget? I'm looking for I'm buying this mobile phone for my sister. So it should have a better, good quality camera. And the second thing is battery backup. And the heating issue, heating should be like less. And the fourth one is like storage. So at least 128 GB storage is necessary with a good RAM of 6 or 8 GB. So what mobile phone do you have? And can you suggest which one should we go for? And very soon, like there is going to be a sale on Amazon and Flipkart. I'm not good. I don't know why my laptops are keep getting on and off. I don't know why. Suddenly, from last 2 days, a lot of the weather is hot. Now it's 30 degrees Celsius, but in the evening and the mid afternoon, like it was very hot. All right, so everyone is winning, no one is interested. All right, no issue. Okay, so today I'm learning unsupervised algorithm, unsupervised learning. So in this, the first algorithm that I'm learning is K means clustering, and let's see how is the implementation, how we implement the k-means algorithm. So if you're watching this stream right now, so let's have some chat. So it's like break time. Alright, so it's 10:30. So should I do anything? Okay, so let's wrap up for today. So today we learned algo method in K means clustering, and let me share with you something. So uh, this is Get Disciplined community that I joined few, like it's been a month now, you can say. So this Ashley, so she shared this community link with me and asked me to join. So here I am sharing my daily updates, like what I am doing, like number of hours I study, proof of screenshot, streak, and additional notes, and to-do list for tomorrow. So this is a very small community. If you wanna join, you can join. So currently in leaderboard, like I am at the top. They are not very active, but let's see how this goes. And can you also help me select a smartphone? I have to buy it for my sister. So sale is going to start on 27th. Should I wait or just buy All Star Lost Offers? They are very expensive, not in my budget. IQ00Z95D. Realme 70X. Hmm, is this one? Realme 70X 5G 6128. Okay, so it's currently at 13,498. So it is going to be 11,000. Samsung Galaxy M35 5G. Oh, there is a like big drop in this price. 13,000, 14,000. Why so? It is not very stylish. Like people are not buying this product, or they manufactured it in like huge amount. Super AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. Okay, so it's including bank and coupon offer and this price. This is just from after big TV. Samsung Galaxy 35. Alright, so held in Samsung Galaxy N35 5G. So currently it's listed at 19,20,000, alright. And Gorilla Glass is like also much. I need this 6,000 mAh. This is going to be heavy. Heating issue, weight, yes, it is heavier. No, 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 not this one. Naso 70 Turbo 5G. Okay, so it's currently at 70,000. So it is going to be 50,000. Hmm. 163 ratings only. Why so? Realme, this my phone is very low ratings. Is it an expensive segment or what it is? I don't trust this. Redmi 13C 5B Dynamic Star Trail design. Like this looks very good. And price is Redmi 13C 5B. Like today it was on sale around 9,000 I guess. It was this Redmi 13C. Like it also has some heating issue I guess. Or speaker issue sound problem. Like currently it's listed at limited on deal 9,000 and it is going to be dropped at 899, so 9,000. Not big difference, but today is like what variant? They didn't mention any variant. So 4, 128, 6, 128 is around 12,000. I am interested in this, but it has MediaTek processor. Let's see. So no one is joining. My stream is going to crash if I keep it like this. I need to. I'm feeling a bit sleepy now. Hi, is there anyone who joined? Can you help me select my phone? Let's see. Yes, it has come down. Charging speed, sound quality, display quality. What is this? Is that reflection or the person from great value for money or overall review was good, but there are issues. Display quality fix C6 negative, camera and display not good. That's the issue. Sound quality, charging speed, overall nice, but charger would be better and fast. Reliable choice. Camera quality not good. Gaming quality good. Camera quality good. Front camera quality it is not good. Top. What brand is this? Platinum Power 16. Hmm. Is this a joke? Every phone is like expensive. Okay, let's see. What are under 5,000? Okay, I'm looking for electronics, 5,000 above, and looking for brands Realme. In Realme, we have two Nazara 70. Sorry, Narzo. Why I'm reading it Nazaro. Like Nazaro would be like good name. Okay, so no one is watching. Let's just end the stream. So I will look into the mobile phones for now. And that's all. Thank you so much for joining. And thanks for liking the one person like this stream. Thank you so much. Okay. Goodbye. Good night. Have a nice day.